Thing is viral marketing. So viral marketing is marketing technique that impels the users to pass on a marketing message to other users, creating a potentiality exponential growth in the message visibility and effect. So viral marketing is able to generate interest and the potential sale of a brand or product through message that spread quickly like a virus from person to person. So the message is spread one person to another person quickly from like a virus. So that this market is called viral marketing. It is a technique where a message passes from one person to another. The information spread from one person to another like a virus. Example YouTube. Here the videos from YouTube are shared on Facebook, even Twitter. So the products go so viral that people end up buying the product. So examples: Hotmail, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and other channels are the examples of viral marketing. So examples for viral marketing: Hotmail, the next one, guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing, the concept of guerrilla marketing was invented as an unconventional system of promotions that relies on time, energy, and imaginations rather than a big marketing budgets. For example, guerrilla marketing represent an advertisement strategy to promote product, services on street and other public places with monkey like shopping malls, park, beach, etc. So they select the important places for exhibiting their marketing. Some persons or some kind of persons are moving here and there in order to exhibit their products. So guerrilla marketing represents an advertisement strategy to promote products, services on street and other public places with monkey like shop malls, park, beach, etc. Consumers or customers are taken by surprise to make a big impression about the brand, which in turn creates a buzz about the brand on shares. It creates a memorable experience in the mind of target audience, which triggers good response to sales. It is suitable to small companies which cannot set a big advertisement budget. So it is an unconventional system of promotion. Companies displays big posters in hours with large number of people gathered together. Examples: Millet displays big posters of the product for promotion purpose. The next heading is niche marketing. Niche marketing denotes a strategy of directing all marketing efforts towards one well-defined segment of the population. The business of promoting and selling product or service to a specialized segment of a market. It aims of being a big fish in a small pond instead of being a small fish in a big pond. The company which identify the niche market develop solution to satisfy the need of the niche market. The niche market denotes mean of small market, but it involves specific target audience with a specialized offering. Here, not everybody want to watch a movie by paying 5 into 6 times the cost of normal ticket. So the sports channel like Star Sports, ESPN, Star Cricket, Fox Sports target the niche market of sport enthusiasts. So examples for niche market. The next heading is social marketing. Social marketing is a new marketing tool. It is a systematic application of marketing philosophy and techniques to achieve specific behavioral goals which ensure social good. For example, this may include asking people not to smoke in the public areas, asking them to wear a seat belt, or persuading them to follow speed limits. So the primary aim of social marketing is social good such as an anti-tobacco, anti-drug, anti-pollution, anti-dowry, road safety, protection of girl child, etc. COVID-19. Due to COVID-19, the Indian government forces the people to wear masks and use sanitizers whenever they go out. So these are social marketing examples. Asking people not to smoke in public areas. Then asking people to wear seat belt while driving. So social marketing promotes the consumption of social desirable product and develop health. Then rural marketing. What is rural marketing? Rural marketing is the process of developing, pricing, promoting and distributing specific goods and services with rural customers to satisfy their needs and wants. People sell product at a lower price. So rural marketing is a process of developing, pricing, promoting and distributing rural specific goods and services leading to a direct exchange with rural customers. Rural marketing has a lot of untapped potential improvement in infrastructure. It is supposed to open great opportunities for rural market. Rural marketing is now a two-way marketing process. First, there is inflow of product into rural market for productions, consumptions, and there is also outflow of product to urban areas. So the urban to rural flow consists of agriculture input, fast moving consumer goods such as soap, detergent, cosmetics, textiles and so on. So the rural to urban flow consists of agriculture produce such as rice, wheat, sugar and cotton. So there is also a movement of rural product within rural areas for consumption. So rural marketing in India, these are the examples. The next one, commodity markets. Commodity markets. A commodity exchange is an organized and regulated market that facilitates the purchase and sale of contract whose values are tied to the price of commodities. Example, crude oil, natural gas, copper and coal. Typically, the buyers of these contracts agree to accept delivery of a commodity and the sellers agree to deliver the commodity. So commodity exchanges, a commodity market, is a physical or virtual market place for buying and selling and trading raw or primary product. There are about 50 major commodity markets in worldwide. These are the examples of commodity market. Types of commodity. Commodities are split into two types, hard and soft commodity. Hard commodities are natural resources that must be mined or extracted such as coal, rubber and oil. Soft commodities are agriculture product or livestock such as corn, wheat, coffee and meat. Then multi-level marketing. What is multi-level marketing? Multi-level marketing is the marketing strategy wherein the sales companies encourages its existing distributor to recruit new distributors to facilitate the sale of goods and services. Multi means many. For example, if one person appointed to sell a particular product, this person appointed a subordinate, some of the subordinate to sell his product. The same subordinate appoints some more persons. So like that, the chains are multiple. One person appoint another two person, then another two persons appoint some more persons. That is multi-level marketing. The distributor is compensated not only for the sales generated by him, but also gets a percentage on sales, revenue and other distributors he recruits. For example, if one person recruits two persons means If the particular person get remunerations for his sales, and also he will get same remuneration from the persons who recruits. So the sales persons or distributor not only sell the product but also encourages others to join the company. The recruits are called as the participants downline or distributors downline. Examples: Tupperware, Amway are the direct sales companies that use the multi-level marketing. It referral marketing or pyramidal marketings. For example, in this sales, A gets commission on sale to B, who in turn sells to C, D, E. So A gets certain percentage commission on B sale to C, D, E. The next heading is referral marketing, and before that AMPUS marketing. AMPUS marketing technique is a new technique whereby a particular advertiser seeks to connect his product to an event in the mind of potential customer without paying sponsoring expenses to the event. So indirectly they create a brand image for their product without exhibit anything. So AMPUS marketing is a new technique where a particular advertiser seeks to connect his product to the event in the minds of potential customer. It is done without paying sponsoring expenses to the event. In other words, it is a method of building brand in covered ways. So indirectly they are creating marketing. As it is given, we are all witness in the picture. AMPUS marketing can also be done by sponsoring famous personalities in various fields to develop their sales by urging people to buy their product by using this sponsorship. Michael Phelps is an Olympic swimmer who won 26 gold in Olympics. Being the number one swimming field, he is the ambassador of the most exclusive brands such as Speedo, Airna, Nike and Under Armour. These are the examples of AMPUS marketing. Then content marketing. What is content marketing? So content marketing is said to be the art of communicating with customers and prospectors without selling. So without selling, they need not to sell anything. They just give information about their product. So no sales. They just explain their contents about their product. It provides content which helps to attract audience. So examples for content marketing: the shape of samosa, Urvasi, take it cheesy, Urvasi. These are the examples of content marketing. Then the next one, referral marketing. Referral marketing is the method of promoting products or services to new customers through referrals. Referral marketing is referred to spreading the word about the product or service through existing customers of business enterprises rather than through traditional advertisement. Word of mouth marketing, which occurs when others tell each other about a business, is also considered to be the form of referral marketing. Here, the particular company need not exhibit or need not advertise anything. The particular company's customers explain the product. This is reference. The particular customer give reference to the company's product to others. It is known as the word of mouth. So referral marketing, naturally, we all tend to share our experience with our friends. So examples: one person explained his experience to other persons about his product. Then trends in marketing. So e-tailing, 13 trends in marketing: e-tailing, green marketing, rural marketing, commodity marketing, social marketing, viral marketing, campus marketing, guerrilla marketing, content service, multi-level, niche marketing, and referral marketing. Okay, thank you children. Revise the lessons thoroughly. Watch the videos thoroughly and revise the lessons. I'll see you soon with my next video. Thank you children.